Driven Racing right now, meeting with Noam from Driven Racing.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing, Noam?
Welcome.
Cool. So we're gonna take a little tour, see what you guys got. Right on.
This is our lobby area. This is where we greet the people. We have a little conference room right here with some bikes. Sales area. This is where we receive phone calls. Little photo shoot room. We shoot product inside.
And now we're gonna go check out the warehouse.
Where we store product during the process, either it's before or after anodizing, before or after manufacturing. Assembly area is right here. People assemble parts, getting ready to be shipped. Orders in process.
For these sprocket kits?
Sprocket.
Yeah.
Just
cool.
sprocket. That's going to a distributor, which will stay nameless.
Okay.
This is the shipping area for daily orders for dealers or consumers. This is where we ship. We store chain here. That's our R&D room. This is where we program parts that we're going to make, develop new parts. We use the R&D area in the back to measure bikes, and it comes in here and we measure and we draw on a program called SolidWorks and program to run in the machine.
Now are these all prototypes?
These are all
Mix match.
things.
Cool. Bunch of sprockets and stuff up there.
Yeah. It's the machine shop area. We have blades and mills. At the moment we're making sprockets for the 2020 BMW S1000 RR,
Okay.
which will be ready in a couple of weeks.
Okay. And so you guys mill everything out of aluminum here? Everything's all
Aluminum, stainless, steel, and plastic.
Okay.
Everything we make is made here, with the exception of packaging. Chain we don't make, we buy. We use predominantly arcade. We feel it's the best product and value in the market today. We love arcade.
Cool.
And we have a good relationship with them as well.
Here's some of the assembly of the small parts like you were saying.
Building mirrors right now.
Right on.
I've been in motorcycling for as long as I can remember, and it's the natural thing for me to do. That's what I love to do, that's what I enjoy doing, and really nothing else excites me quite as much as motorcycles. So for me, it's the natural thing, it's the only thing to do. I think the regular things, there's nothing really that stands out. When you do something you like, it's not really a challenge. You just have to navigate through the regular difficulty, whether it be finding the right people to work for you, paying too much or the right amount for services rendered to your company. But overall, I'd say it hasn't been that difficult. How difficult it is to manufacture in the United States. Really, the infrastructure is not really there. There's very few people. Like, for instance, anodizing. There's probably about 30 anodizers within 10 miles from here. Most of them cannot do the quality work that people who ride motorcycles will expect from a part that they buy. And we really had to search high and low to try to find a company, and we did find a very good company. And But that's just an example. It just manufacturing in general is very, very difficult in the United States, and my hope that it will improve and it's going to be easier to manufacture here. I don't know, just make it an interesting content, good pictures. People who like that stuff are naturally drawn to it, so as long as you do genuine work and put out good content, people will follow it, people will like it. People give us their feedback, whether it's good or bad. People call, people send messages and emails. You know right away when you have something good or if you have a problem or an issue. People really let us know, and we like it. We welcome criticism and comments and stuff like that because it helps us a lot. Major role. Everything we do is centered around technology, whether it be machining, plating processes, marking processes. Everything is getting better and better every year. We buy equipment constantly, laser etchers, new machines, new tools. It's a very integral part of our business is to stay up on technology. Very important. I think things are pretty exciting. There's the advancement of electric motorcycles, which is a brand new segment. Things are really improving with technology, with electronics. I think that anybody that loves motorcycles sees it coming. It's maybe a little slow getting there, but I think that in the short foreseeable future, a lot of new and exciting things are coming to the motorcycle industry. We're very excited. I'm very excited, and we're going to try to keep up with everything that's changing and evolving, for sure. Be willing to do a lot of work, hard work, never give up, and do something you love, because if you don't like it and you have to work that hard, I don't know how much fun it's going to be. But if you love it and you like everything about it, then it's not going to be that difficult. But it's hard work, it's a lot of dedication, a lot of sacrifice. You know, you got to be willing to put the effort.